Good morning. According to the case study from College of San Jose del Monte entitled "The Chicken Pastel Olympia," introduces a unique fusion product that combines the traditional flavors of Filipino chicken pastel with rice wrapped in a convenient lumpia form. Designed to cater to busy individuals, students, and professionals, this product addresses um, into growing demand for quick, affordable, and satisfying meal options. It taps into the fast food and convenience food sector, aiming to meet the needs of modern consumers seeking flavorful yet easy to prepare meals by offering both fresh and frozen version. This case study is somehow connected to what our product trying to implement, which is the chicken pastel a la talong sisig.
Good morning, ma'am. This is our product. So, have you ever heard about the pastel alatalong sisig? So, what I'm going to discuss now is the our product, which is the pastel alatalong sisig. So, pastel is a traditional Filipino dish, specifically originated from the southern of Mindanao, which is Drisa Atoa. Region 11. So, ang pastel is common na dyan. For example, dito sa atong sa campus, so, dito sa tindahan is nagabaligya sila og pastel. And also, the students, nagasell po sila og pastel. So, to support their needs in school. But, our product is unique. Instead of using the traditional dish of pastel, which is the use meat to for toppings, but amo is naggamit mi og vegetable, which is the talong or eggplant. Yan. So nga no, gigamit na mo ni nga community is to promote vegetables consumptions, labi na sa mga students nga gusto malikay sa mga karne. So kani among product is makatabang ni sa ato nga makaunta og mas daghang vegetables, so to yes, for our health. Yan.
Good day, everyone. The objective of our study focuses on the two main points. First, our study aims to understand consumer and behavior and preference in the food industry, especially among students. This helps us know what people like, what influence their food choices, and how open they are to new food ideas. And second, our study aims to promote vegetable consumption through pastel a la talong sisig. By preparing a vegetable-based version of familiar dish, we hope to encourage students to eat more vegetable in an enjoyable and convenient way.
Good day everyone. My task today is to discuss to you what are the materials and methods we use to gather data for our product Pastil a la Talong Sisig. So first, one member was assigned to create a Google Sheet form and it was disseminated through GCs or messengers. Then, we particularly choose students as our respondents or participants for they are our primary customers. So for the result, it is the participants or respondents' responses on the said survey. So in figure 1, respondents' knowledge about pastil a la talong sisig. So S1 awareness. So question 1 is, have you heard about pastil a la talong sisig before this survey? So 75% says no, 10% says maybe, and 15% says yes. And in figure 2, interest on pastil alatalong sisig consumption. So S2, preferences and interest. So how likely are you to buy and try our product pastil alatalong sisig? So 45% says neutral, 40% says likely, and 15% says very likely. And next question is, how often would you consider eating pastil alatalong sisig if it were available? So 15% says rarely, 25% says daily, 25% also says 2 to 3 times a week, and 35% says once a week. And in figure 3, preferred flavor on pastil alatalong sisig. S3, flavor and taste. Which flavor profile do you prefer most for pastil alatalong sisig? So 90% says spicy and 10% says mild. And do you think the combination of pastil or rice wrap and talong sisig works well together? So 45% says maybe, 5% says yes but needs improvement, and 50% says yes. In figure 4, willingness and preferred price to buy pastil alatalong sisig. So S4, likes, preferences, and suggestion. So question, if pastil alatalong sisig were sold in your area, how much would you be willing to pay for one serving? So 65% says 15 to 20 Philippine peso, 30% says 20 to 25 peso, and 5% says 35 peso and above. And in figure 5, suggestions and recommendation. So which add-ons or toppings would you like to have with pastil alatalong sisig? So this survey shows that they recommend chili garlic sauce or add some garlic flavor to the pastil. They also suggested making a bigger portion of pastil, and it must cook very well and provide packaging to attract buyers. Next is, would you recommend pastil alatalong sisig to your friends or family? 20% says maybe and 80% says yes. So that is all for our result.
Good day everyone. So let's proceed to the SWOT analysis data. So we have the strength. First, unique twist on a traditional Filipino dish. Then promote vegetable consumption and good combination of pastil and talong sisig, and high preference of spicy flavor, affordable pricing, cost of 15 to 25 pesos, and then majority willing to recommend the product. So based on the survey, around a 90%, so mas kinahanglan nila og unique and innovative product para mas maibalaan nila kung tama ba ang combination sa atong pastil alatalong sisig. And then we have the weaknesses. First, 75% are not familiar with the product. So kasagaran jud sa kanang mga nag-answer sa survey is wala pa sila kadungog nga og inana nga combination. And then some only showed neutral interest. So dili tanan na interesado nga motilaw sa amo ang product. And then portion size and cooking quality needs improvement. So if kato daw ang among i-combine, so kinahanglan daw na makuha namo ang kanang taste buds sa mga customers. And then needs better packaging. So the third one is we have the opportunities. So growing demand for healthier vegetable-based food. So opportunity siya kay mao man ang kanang gikinahanglan namo, nanginahanglan mi og mga farmers nga mamahimong supplier sa amo ang product, and affordable and filling meal for students. So dili kay siya gasto og dali ra ma-afford sa mga students na ang amo ang number 1 nga consumers. And then introduce new flavors and add-ons. So mas gusto nila nga dili lang mag-focus sa isa ka kanang flavor ang amo ang product, kundi mag-innovate pa mi og daghan. And then chance to stand out on the market. Na siya chance to stand out on the market, or na siya niche profit because kanang bag-o man sa ilahang pandungog and kanang mas innovative siya. And then sa threats, competition from well-known pastil and fast foods. So, dili lang kami mismo ang gusto na mamaligya og mga pastil. So, we all know na around sa atong campus is daghan jud nagabaligya. But, mas gina-focus na mo ang combination sa mo ang product nga pastil ala talong sisig. And then, lacking awareness may slow acceptance. So, kay dili man tanan aware or dili man tanan na nakabalo nga pwede din na siya mamahimong combination. So, isa po na sa among threat sa among product. And then, risk of quality inconsistent. So, inconsistent ang lasa sa among pastil, may mahimo siyang dili magustuhan sa among mga consumers. And then, price-sensitive market. Naga-focus ang mga customers sa mga kung asa sila mas dali o makapalit o mas affordable sa ilang bulsa. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. So, our market gap, low awareness, 75% unfamiliar. Most students have not heard about the product, which shows a lack of visibility and promotion. Next is neutral interest, 45%. Many respondents are unsure about trying it, indicating hesitation due to unfamiliarity or lack of trust in the new concept. Next is packaging and presentation issues. Respondents suggested better packaging and larger portions, showing that current product appeal may not match consumer expectations. Next is flavor variation. While 90% preferred spicy, only a single dominant flavor exists. Lack of variety limits broader appeal to those who like milder taste. Next, strong competition. The product faces competition from well-known pastel version and other affordable fast food options, but it has not yet established its unique identity in the market.
Based on the result of our survey, our product Pastil ala Talong Sisig shows strong potential, especially for students. Respondents like the idea because it combines familiar flavors, pastel, and sisig with a healthier choice using eggplant. Most students think the price is reasonable and are willing to recommend the product. However, the survey also shows that some respondents are not yet fully aware of the product and their interest in only moderate because of this. We believe that better marketing and promotion are needed. The respondents suggest improvements such as a bigger portion, better packaging, and adding a chili garlic flavor to make the product more appealing. We also need to consider that competition in the food marketing is strong. Overall, our discussion is to maintain an affordable price while improving quality, taste, and presentation. Since more students are cost-conscious, consistent cooking, and proper presentation, we also help avoid negative impression. Thank you.
So the pastil alatong sisig has the potential to grow, to be known, especially to the students. You just have to prioritize to make an awareness about the product, guarantee the consistent taste and quality, and provide the packaging to make it more appealing, and maintain reasonable prices. Of course, because our target is students, so we must also target what they can afford. And therefore, it can establish a solid presence in the student food market. With effective marketing and ongoing development, and additionally consistency, yes, must be foreseen to make better decision making for the best improvements of the product. So that's it, and thank you.